Not tricky enough. Too young to have learned all the tricks of the trade. B4. No, she played king c2. Okay, well, b4 was better. Oh, no, she did play b4. Never mind. b4 has been played. See, chat? This is how you win a game of chess. Just, play 20 engine moves in a row. I don't know why you think it's difficult. If Andrea can do it. Oh, he resigns! He resigns! Andrea takes the win. Let's do another count. Let's do another count. So we're actually disqualifying this move. Because the computer for some reason liked queen takes b7. So from this moment, this is move 20 in the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 perfect moves in a row. And she takes home the bacon. Let's go. Zid coming in with a 5 gifted. Thank you. Okay.